Welcome back. The federal government is pulling $30 million in funding from a program that brings essential services and resources into rural Idaho schools. Some Idaho school districts are worried about this sudden cut. Aspen Schumpert with our Boise sister station shares more on how this impact could have.
We're going to have students and families that don't have their needs met.
The American Falls School District is one of 22 districts in the Gem State benefiting from a federal full-service community schools grant.
It hasn't just strengthened our schools and our kids, but as a whole, it's strengthened our community of American Falls.
In 2023, the U.S. Department of Education awarded the nonprofit United Way of Treasure Valley nearly $46 million for a 5-year community schools grant to support rural Idaho schools. The funds help place community coordinators in schools to bring resources in that communities need more access to.
When families have their needs met, kids can come to school prepared to learn, ready to learn, and they'll be able to do better there.
Superintendent Randy Jensen says there's a coordinator in each of their 4 schools. They've brought in resources like food pantries, dental clinics, and mental health services.
Those services that are really valuable to our community.
But earlier this month, the U.S. Department of Education let the nonprofit know the grant is being cut off 3 years early and funds would stop at the end of the month, putting 60 full-time staff positions in jeopardy.
Just finding out that we're going to lose the total funding for them in just 2 weeks is pretty tragic for us.
The Department of Education cites the program focuses on diversity, equity, and inclusion instead of fairness and education excellence. But Jensen pushes back on that.
All this has to do with providing the help they need. And by helping people, that does raise our academic standards and our academic success.
And with 2026 budgets already set, Jensen says it could be hard or impossible for districts to try and retain these positions on their own.
It'll hurt our students, hurt our student families, and in the long run, it'll hurt our community.